Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to reverse a video in Canva. Reversing a video can unlock a whole new world of creative possibilities. Whether you're looking to add a unique rewind effect to your social media content, correct a clip that's playing in the wrong direction, or simply infuse some creativity into your project, mastering this skill can be a game changer. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the tools you need to reverse any video with ease, using Canva. Let's get started. First, you need to open Canva. If you're on a computer, just fire up your browser and navigate to Canva's website. Alternatively, if you're using a mobile device, launch the Canva app. Once you're inside Canva, look for that large inviting Create button and give it a click. This button is your starting point for any new project. Since our focus today is on videos, select Videos from the available options. This choice will set up a workspace specifically designed for video projects. Whether you're creating TikToks, Instagram Reels, or even YouTube intros, it's a perfect blank canvas for all your video ideas. Now, here's a fun little trick to get you started. Head over to the Elements section, which you'll find on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type in Time Sand. This will bring up a series of hourglass animations or video clips. These clicks symbolize time moving backward or forward, making them perfect for practicing the reverse effect or just to use as a sample. Choose one you like and add it to your timeline. This way, you don't even need to upload your own video unless you want to. With your video now on the canvas, let's move on. Direct your attention back to the left sidebar and locate the Apps section. Canva offers a variety of powerful tools and integrations within this section that can significantly enhance your creations. Click on Apps, and in the app search bar, type Video Reverser. It might sound almost too convenient, but yes, Canva does have a built-in tool specifically for reversing videos. When it appears, click to open it. Now, click on your video clip on the canvas to make sure it's selected. Depending on your internet connection speed and the size of your video file, the reversing process may take a little time. So don't worry if it feels like nothing's happening at first. Just be patient as Canva works its magic behind the scenes. You might see a progress bar or a small spinning wheel, indicating that the process is underway. And that's essentially all there is to it. Once the process is complete, your video will now play in reverse, giving you that sought-after rewind effect. You can instantly play it back to see the results. From here, you can continue editing, add more special effects, or simply download your reversed video to share it wherever you please. No need for complex video editing software. Everything you need is right here within Canva's user-friendly interface. So the next time you want to reverse a video for a project, or add a creative twist to your social media posts, you'll know exactly how to do it. Hopefully you now have a better understanding of how to reverse a video in Canva. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.